Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. We just got our first shipment of fertilizer in. That's what's sitting here behind me. And so I thought it'd be a good time to remind you that when it comes time to put your fertilizer down, which is going to be very, very soon, that you want to make sure you use a slow release fertilizer. That's all we use. Everything we put down is going to be a slow release. Very important that you do the same. That's really tempting. A lot of people want to put down a fast release high nitrogen fertilizer in the spring so that their yard will green up real fast and look great real fast, but that's a mistake. Whenever you put those high nitrogen fast release fertilizers down, all it does is promote growth on top of the ground. It makes the grass blades pop up and shoot up and look nice and green, but it's not doing anything for the root system. And when you put down a slow release fertilizer, it's going to push nutrients down towards the roots. They're going to help them grow, help them strengthen. It's also going to help what's on top of the ground as well, help that growth, help it green up. It's overall going to be a better fertilizer for you. It's going to last longer. Fast release fertilizers, they're going to last 2 to 4 weeks is what you get. With your slow releases, you're looking at 6 to 8 weeks is what you're going to get out of those. So yeah, they do cost more, but they do last longer, so you're going to get more bang for your buck. You're not going to have to put it out as often. So make sure you get a slow release fertilizer. Just whenever you're buying your fertilizer, check your labels, check your bags, look at them, read everything on it. Make sure you're getting a slow release, because that's what you want starting out on your first fertilizer application for this spring. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.